This is the first Photoshop tips on my channel, and this is a short tip for beginners. In this short video, I will show you how to reduce the file size of PSD files. Computers nowadays are so powerful, but smaller file size is always equal to faster workflow and easy file management. One of the major factors in PSD file size is layers. More layers, bigger file size. And one of the most used for layers are dodge and burn. To avoid destroying the original photo, many people used it to duplicate the background and then work on the new layer. But this is not the best way to do it. We are going to use a different approach that will reduce the file size and even more flexible in the workflow. Let me open a file and show you. This is a big photo, single layer file. First, let's check the file size. 170 megabytes. Okay, let's try to use the duplicate layer method. Duplicate the background, work on it, brighten the sea and darken the urban area. Okay, save again and let's see. Okay, save again and let's see. 530. It is more than doubling the size. Now, let's try another way. Back to the file. Make an adjustment layer. Use it to brighten the photo. Now, use the brush to paint the mask. Brighten the sea first. Make another adjustment layer. Use it to darken the urban area. Paint on the mask and get the area just like this. Okay, let's save the file and check the file size. The file is now 370 megabytes. It is almost 30% smaller than the first method. Furthermore, we could easily adjust the result by adjusting the curve, which we could not able to do so if we just duplicate the background layer and dodge it. So I hope this tip will help your daily workflow faster and easier. See you next time.